Wow, this is great. Impressive resume.
Thank you, sir.
You must be very brilliant and intelligent to have acquired such an impressive credential. I'm very impressed. And I have no doubt that when I employ you into my organization, you will be one of my most hardworking and competent staff that I will be very proud of.
Thank you, sir.
But you see, young lady, your impressive resume alone cannot speak of how hardworking and competent you will be in my organization. However, one more thing is required. How old are you?
So I'm 24 years old.
Oh, 24. I was wondering if you'll be able to, you're matured enough to grasp exactly what I'm trying to communicate to you.
No, sir.
Well. You see, when a man beholds the presence of a beautiful and charming lady who desires a thing and equally has what it takes to achieve that, you know, in kind. You know, life is about give and take.
With due respect, sir, I still don't.
Come on. All right. I understand. Let me put it in a more clear perspective. You are a very beautiful young lady. Sexy. You know, the beauty and the pride of an African queen. Use what you have to get what you want. Give me sex, and I'll give you the job with a fat salary.
I'm sorry, sir, I can't do it.
Well, young lady, since you have refused my offer, the labor market is still open and with open arms to welcome your kind back. Here are your credentials. This is your ticket. Sex with me. Your ticket to the job you desire. Ain't you going to change your mind? Ladies, they don't want to play games. Next.
mind. I'm exhausted. I'm tired.
I've been going round and round and this sun is so hot. Same old story. Bella, I hope she has a better name.
How far were you guys?
Same story. Just tired. I'm fed up.
This is unbelievable. Every company, every job I applied for, all in vain. All they require is sex. I mean, is that the only remedy? You don't even care about the results anymore.
And that's the era we are in for this generation. What do you expect? The so-called company owners, they're corrupt. I mean, the society, everyone is suffering. High rate of unemployment, hunger, starvation. Everyone is trying to survive.
I mean, but like seriously, babes, what's going to be our fate now? Do we have to give out our bodies just to get a job? Honestly, I can't.
On the contrary, we all have to survive. I mean, we all have bills to pay. Society don't care what you do or what you're facing. They don't care if you live or you die. You just have to survive. Nature will always require what it demands.
Bella, are you okay? You've been silent, not even saying anything.
My dear, what do you expect me to say? It's a matter of dealing with your situation. Please, have you guys eaten?
I've not eaten, I'm very
Let's just go.
Let's look for something to eat. I'm tired of this job hunting. I want to eat.
Let's go.
I think there's a place down there.
Are you sure?
Yeah. No.
You know, the other guy was even asking me to sleep with him, like seriously.
That's what I thought.
These guys are so sick.
How do we get job in this country without this awful demand of sex by these useless animals?
I still wonder if all the stress and sleepless nights in the university amounts to nothing but sex. It's ridiculous.
How did your day go?
Nothing strange, just the usual call of nation as expected.
You mean it went well?
My dear, is it new? I think it's high time we rebrand ourselves. We have to do a rethink towards another direction of view.
How do you mean?
Now goodbye to job hunting. It's time to hustle.
Now let's go check it out.
Wash everything.
We'll clean it very. Wow, this is really nice.
Yeah, you can say that again. What do you expect? We're now self-employed. Making cool cash in our own way. This is getting interesting.
But come to think of it, Bella, how did you manage to invent this creative pattern of our business?
Babes, it's call of nature. You know, you just know what treats the society, the men, and hit them with it. You know, it's ladies' words, remember? They even give us double of our bill. Cash. See that one that calls himself, you see, Honorable Kogini. Honorable. Yeah, that's because you're smart enough to create your own pattern of getting the national cake from them. You know what I mean?
You're right. Wow. I love counting money like this. Especially money made by Mua.
Okay. Made by you.
Okay, made by us. Now, calm down, you say. Oh my goodness.
Please then just turn off the light when you're done, okay?
So, can you sleep now? Let's think we need to.
Oh, sir, yeah, we are done, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Can you come inside? Let me have a look for you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Oh, I like your service here. It's very nice.
Thank you very much, sir.
So you know I've been coming here because when am I going to have you?
Ooh, naughty. But you know what? Don't worry. Just be patient, okay? I promise you have no time. Just be patient, huh? Adams, I am busy. I'm busy. Stop calling me.
Jerry, I understand everything, okay? I'm sorry if I'm calling at the wrong time. But seriously, I just plead for just this last time. I would like to see you for just once again.
F you.
Hello? Hello? She cut the calls. Okay.
this is the place Ndo was telling me about. That means my eyes have behold beautiful car wash girls. My eyes have behold beautiful car wash girls. This is Sodom and Gomorrah. Ha! This is high fashion of car washing. Sexy girls washing car. In fact, God, if this place is Sodom and Gomorrah, be prepared to punish me. Because here is going to be my second home. I will be coming here rejoicing and be happy. So God, prepare your koboko if this place is Sodom and Gomorrah. Ha! Ha!
Hi, sweetie. I don't need to ask if you're fine because I know you're fine. Can I get to see you one more time again, please?
Adams, why are you calling me at this time of the night?
I just want to see you again.
You've had your portion. It's a done deal.
Please don't drop this call. You're always used to. Hello? Hello?
Who was that? It's one of those trash. Can I mind?
Darling, where are you off to this early morning? Where are you going to?
No, I'm off to, I want to rush to the car wash.
Car wash?
Yeah, the Jeep is not clean enough for my business trip tomorrow morning.
That is so strange. I mean, Akim is meant to wash all the cars in this compound every morning. So why the car wash?
No. I don't like the way you wash it my cars these days. I want to take it to the car wash for proper cleaning.
Then you don't have to stress yourself. I'll take it there myself.
No, don't worry, darling. I'd rather take it there myself. It cost me nothing. Besides, it's weekend. See you.
Just like that. What is happening? Bella, take your time, oh. Bella, it's not funny. See, Bella is looking for my trouble.
Bella, take it.
Oh, sis. Crazy girl.
Okay.
Bella, what is your problem?
Wash the car.
Bella, leave that side now. Ah.
The tire. The tire. Yeah, that's it.
Bella is crazy.
Scrub the tire.
Bella, take your time. I'll go pour you soap, oh. Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, sir, I'm sorry. We're not done yet. Just be patient with us, okay?
I've been admiring the way your people are watching my cars. And I've been wanting to ask, do people offer private cleaning service? I will pay well if you do.
So we're working on that, but we're supposed to serve you with maximum hospitality.
Whoa. You are very intelligent and smart.
Thank you, sir.
Like I said, I will pay double if you do.
Really? Thank you, sir.
Wow. We're always at your service, sir.
You're welcome. I will continue washing my cars. Here, in as much as I behold you beautiful dancers. And if you it mind, yes, I will pay double.
Oh, okay, sir, that's nice. Sir, so you just be patient, okay? We'll soon be done.
Okay. Hello. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You are beautiful.
Thank you very much, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Rose.
Rose?
Yes, sir.
Well, let me see you in the car.
All right, sir.
Yeah, I think we're good. Okay, where are the bowls? Okay, the other side. Oh, okay.
Babes, I've been thinking. I think we should move to a bigger apartment. What do you think? I mean, this is getting too small, and with the reasonable cash flow coming in, we have to just step up. You know what I mean? It's not a bad idea. What do you think?
No, it's okay by you. No one's talking. We deserve it. I can't get choked up in this room apartment.
And you, Rose? I just need to send some money home. But as for the apartment thing, it's a yes for me. Oh, good. That's good.
One more thing. Like, these men are, car wash people. They want more than, our usual car wash. You need to tackle it before it gets out of hand. Okay? In order to keep our business flourishing.
Yeah, that's true. I know. And trust me, I've been thinking about it. I've given it a thought, and I have a good plan. Yeah, it's a very good plan. Trust me, you like it.
Bella, you're just a criminal.
Well, let's say I'm just trying to use my criminal mind to diversify your boats in something creative, at least to get your everything else going on.
I say like cassava, I get to be cassava. Baby, my love for you will never die.
Get lost. I said get lost.
Bella, who is this guy that's always calling you every minute?
Please forget him. He's one of the trash kind, okay? Just forget him.
Well, just leave Bella alone. One day we'll go find out who they call you.
I want, it's tickling me, I want to wash.
You want your bike to be washed?
Yes, I want to, it's within me, now that I want to.
Alright, sir, you know what? We're going to give you the best service.
Okay. How much is the money?
Just 15,000.
Just 15,000?
15,000.
15,000? Cool. This is me. Go direction. Go. Why? You said it's 15,000. Okay, 15, just 15,000. Okay, you know what is going to happen? Let me quickly run now and get this 15,000.
You sure you're gonna come back?
Huh? Me? I don't lie you. I don't know the word lie. I don't even know how to spell. I don't even know how to spell. He's doing me some. I don't even know how to spell lie. I don't know. Since my mother gave birth to me, it has always been truth. You see, as to tell you the truth now, this is my triumph. This is my triumph is going to be here. See, if I go and I don't come back, let thunder fire me. Let thunder that is going to Kafanchan fire me. Let the one that is going to Ouagadougou fire me. Let the thunder that is going to China reverse fire me. Let thunder not just fire me. Fire me, fire my wife's shop, my wife, everything, my family, my generation, my everything in this world. Let thunder fire everything. I'm telling you. So let me.
Right. You know what? Okay. Good plan. And if you come back, I'll make sure I'll give you the best. The best one.
Do you have tissue? Do you have tissue? You have tissue?
Yes. Make sure you come back, okay?
I'll come back peacefully.
Right.
I'll come back peacefully.
No, Nekal. Look, you are the most beautiful girl I have seen in the whole of Nigeria and Africa. Look, you are the love of my life.
What are you doing in my shop? Haven't I told you to stay away from me? Or do you want me to report you to my husband about your evil intention towards me?
Look, see, there is something inside of you that make a reasonable man like me not to resist. Look, I don't know why a beautiful girl like you got married to that futureless Agu. Your marriage to Agu is like Queen Elizabeth getting married to chimpanzee. See, let me tell you, if you can just give me small chance, I'll prove to you what a beautiful queen is.
Ndu, you are mad. Yes, in fact, you are crazy.
For you.
Is it because of that Babu Ijabu you played that makes you think you are better than my husband?
See, let me tell you, that Babu Ijabu, I played too sure today. Too sure. And I'm sure you're going to give me millions of naira. I have planned to put everything on you. If you just give me small chance. Never, come on.
Something is wrong with you. Or tell me, does madness run in your family?
Only for love, oh. Only for love, now they run.
Please, get out of my shop. Out. Get out of my shop. Out of my shop. Leave this place.
No, don't worry. I will leave. But I know when I bring my millions,
what, John?
You will come in. Ndu. Live. No, come on.
See how ugly he is. Stupid man. Idiot, she-goat. Man rapper. Let me see you in this shop again and you will see what I will do to you.
I must make sure say I win this game. I must get you very well. Nothing will make you want to run the game. Hey! Yeah, Agu, you know the sea road.
Ndu, please, this is not matter of whether in the sea road or not the sea road. You see those things your eyes saw. My eyes have seen them and I want to possess them. Honestly.
Agu, where's your bike?
Okay, my bike. My bike, I left my bike in the car wash. Ndu, there's no time. You understand? All the bosses so it's an urgent matter. Let us see later. Oh? You understand? Let us see later.
Agu, This one Agu has left his bike in the car wash. Okay. Well, that is his business. Nothing will make me lose neck. In fact, I pray that those girls in the car wash should arrest Agu so that I can take over neck.
In fact, I don't even know this life where person they live. I don't know the kind of life that we. Hey! Ah! This is painful. This is painful to the health. I don't even know why somebody. Ah!
Ago. What happened?
Okay, I left this morning to go and look for daily bread as usual. That you know. I left to jejely. I got to a place. Some policemen stopped me and said, Mr. Man, park well. I thought it was just normal park well. When I parked, the next thing I heard was, your bike does not have a road transmitter. I said, road transmitter. Before you know what was happening, these people cleared me. They said I should bring 15,000 naira for road transmitter. That if I don't, they threatened me. Do you know the threat? That in 2 hours, if I don't bring 15,000 to bail my bike, when the bike gets to station, I'm going to pay 50,000.
Road transmitter. What's that?
I don't know. The thing is, in fact, Neka, I have not come here to explain anything. But what I came for is, please, as my, you know now, you got to just try as much as you can. Give me 15,000 naira. Let me go and bail this bike.
Ago, I don't have such amount with me. The only money I have here is 20,000 naira, and it belongs to Mangozi for her meeting tomorrow.
That is an easy task. See, if you have 20,000 naira and it belongs to Mama Ngozi, I am your husband. Give me this money. Let me go and bail this bike. It's not as if your husband here does not have money. I have enough. Somebody is owing me 20,000 naira. I called the person, I said, I need my 20,000 naira back. He said, no problem, that I should come. But on a second thought, I said, no. By the time I get to the place, these people, you know how these police behave. Before you know it, they'll take this into station and I'll go and pay 50,000. Give me this money. By this time tomorrow, I will return the money and you give Mama Ngozi. Yeah?
Make sure you return it tomorrow. Make sure you return it tomorrow.
My name is Ago. You think this Ago is just for nothing? Ago is the king of jungle. If I take off here now, before you know it, I'm there. You understand? If I don't bring back this money to you, remove Ago, give me a woo. Don't call me Ago again.
Yeah, I'll send my own. I'll send my own.
Don't worry, just give me the money. I don't know what somebody want to be useful with his life. All these people will be frustrating you for nothing. What kind of frustration is this? I don't. Okay, this is the money. I hope this money is complete.
It's complete.
I don't want to count it because I trust you.
Bring it tomorrow.
Very sweet. Yes.
Ago, what happened to you?
Is it not this police people? I went out this morning as usual to go and house. Before you know it, these people diverted me. They stopped me and began to beat me. I said, why are you beating me? They said I don't have a road transmitter. Before you know it, these people beat me. They beat me, they beat me, they beat me, they beat me. You know the most painful aspect of it? One small police officer, female police, very small, this girl was slapping me up and down. This girl was giving me slap left, right and center. I said, what did I do to you, small girl? I don't know, maybe the small girl that I mistakenly called her aggravated her anger. This girl began to slap me everywhere. In fact, it was the grace of God that I'm here now.
Ago, I don't understand you.
I don't understand.
How come you're soaked?
He said, soak. Before I know it, these people started beating me. They beat me, they push me beside the river. No, water by the roadside. They beat me, they follow me inside the place. I had to manage and struggle and stood up. Then took my CD 195. What also we reach. That is why I'm here.
Anyway, that's by the way. I hope you came back with the money. Mama Ngozi's money now. She was here just now and I told her that you are on your way coming.
Don't you have conscience? What nonsense money? What nonsense? So all these things that I told you did not enter your ear. Everything that I told you entered from this ear and burst out from the other ear. You don't have conscience. What money could be more important than your husband's life? I told you everything that happened to me, that your husband almost died. You're talking about one nonsense, Mama Ngozi's money. Look at you. I went and married you to support me, not to put me in the public and disgrace me. If you disgrace me inside, disgrace me. Okay, no problem. Shebi you want me to die? Let me go and meet these police people to kill me. You don't want to hurt me. You don't want to hurt me. You want me to die? I said let me go and meet police people for them to kill me. You didn't even say dim Lotta. You want me to go and die?
Ago, don't tell me that, don't tell me that, because the devil will sing to your dance right now if you don't give me that money.
Give you which money? Give you which money? Nchi. Uze. Nkapia. Ewu. Me. Atoro mba, mkpaga atoro na watoro chukwu. Ewu.
No, baby. Let's make it rain. Let's make it rain.
Please, I have condom. I have condom. I said
let's make it rain.
I have condom, please.
No, I must report her to her madam. No, she refused to service me well. No, I can't.
Oh, Barbara! Come here. Okay. Stand here. Kneel down. I was told by one of my customers that you refused to have sex with him. Is that true?
He actually wanted to sleep with me. They asked him to use condom, but he refused.
And what's wrong with that?
Sorry, ma.
Listen, I did not employ you here to just wash car. I employ you to satisfy my customers. If it's just to wash car, I have hands. I can wash it myself. I was doing it before I employed you. Now you will go back there and go and satisfy him.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
Get out of my sight! Hurry!
With all due respect, this is not fair. It's not fair. How can you ask her to sleep with men without condom?
Who be this one?
If she's your sister, will you advise her to do such? This is not fair. I'm fed up of this.
Will you shut up? Yeah? Are you talking to me? Huh? Oh, so you've grown wings, Abby? You cannot talk back at me, Abby? Listen, I feed you. I picked you up from the gutter. If you don't keep your mouth shut, I will shut it for you. Can you imagine? Are you crazy? You have the guts to talk back at me? Look at this.
It's okay, let her go. Calm down. Bella, listen to me. In as much as we employ these girls to come and service the men, we know that it is not right for any man to sleep with any of them without condom. It is morally wrong. Okay? Please, you and I cannot do it, so we don't have to subject them to it. You think about it. It's okay.
Darling, yes? Where are you in a hurry to that? You didn't even take your breakfast.
Now I want to rush to the car wash. The car is not properly clean.
Oh, not again. Car wash?
Yes.
I mean, what is it about this your frequent car wash thing? I remember all the cars in this compound are clean, so tell me, what else do you want to wash in them?
No, the engine. I forgot to wash the engine yesterday, so I want to take it there for proper washing.
What is going on? I mean, what is this sudden car wash thing? I don't understand.
Yeah, how are you? Yeah, well done.
And don't worry, I'll call you back, okay? Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good morning, sir.
Impressive. Good morning.
You're welcome, Chief.
Thank you. It seems you have new girls here.
Oh yes, I do. I have some pretty damsels here for you.
Okay.
You know your hospitality is our priority.
In that case, it seems I will pay 6 months in advance. Yeah, I'll pay for 6 months in advance.
Okay then, we'll take care of you. I trust my girls. And Barbara, wash his car. And you, Becky, you know what to do. Alright.
Come. I'm sending you to Alhaji Diko for home service, okay?
But ma...
Will you shut up? Come on, go and get ready and leave immediately.
You know what? You don't need to stress yourself there. Inside is a bakery. Yeah, get in.
Okay.
everybody body jump to this one. Oh, I make everybody body skip to this one. Oh, I make all the DJs wine to this one.
Take this one. Becky.
See me, they make you wanting to be with me. Baby, wine up for me, wine up for me. Baby, wine up.
All right.
Baby, wine up for me, wine up for me, wine up for me. Baby, wine up for me. Baby, wine up. Hello.
Hey, welcome.
Go meet her.
We're done. 5 years.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, we're done.
Welcome, sir.
I came to I came to wash. That is because yesterday wash was very, very okay. So
Okay.
I decided to come and wash again.
But you have to wait for our opening time.
I want to ask you one favor. I don't know. You know, in school there is what they call carry over. You carry over. You know, yesterday I was the one that washed my bike myself. I don't know the money I paid yesterday. If you can carry it over, bring it to today. Let it serve.
No. You have to pay for a fresh one. Fresh one for a fresh service.
Sister, I don't know how it is. I don't know. The thing, okay, in fact, how do I go about it?
It's just 20,000 naira.
20,000.
Yes.
That kind of money. Okay, what about if I deposit my bike? Then then you understand?
It's nice because it's worth it.
You like it like that?
Yes.
That's nice. So I don't know.
But before then, let me just sing.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Can you go inside the car?
No. It's not possible. You haven't paid for that cash money. You just dropped your bike. You haven't not paid anything. It's cash money for that one.
So you are trying to say, if I want to, tango and mango, I should go and
it's cash money.
I don't know what I'm doing. So you're trying to say, if I go and
Yes, with cash money, okay?
Do you know what? Let me leave this dry off. Yeah, let me leave this my CD 195, CD 195, and then run along and come back with the phone. Yeah, let me just.
All right, I'll be waiting for the cash, okay? I'll be waiting for you, okay? Thanks. All right, no problem.
Becky. Yeah? Come here.
This was it.
And this bike, who was it?
I don't know.
Take it out of here.
Okay. I think I will, okay? Aboki! Good afternoon. Aboki, I want to sell this bike.
You want to sell this Okada?
I want to sell them.
How much you want to sell, madam?
Aboki, give me 50,000.
50,000 naira. This Okada is no good now. I will give you 4,500.
Eh? No, give me 30,000.
No, 30,000 naira is too much.
Eh?
I will give you 5,000 naira.
You say for this fresh machine?
Madam, the Okada is no good now.
Aboki, okay, I bring down. Aboki, have something now.
No, madam. You don't see country is dey hard. Kashi.
Just say come.
Madam, carry down now.
Okay. Oh, yeah, carry it.
Maka carry am.
Carry they go.
Madam, if you get this type of market, they call me every day.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay. No problem. Carry the group. That's the money.
Never. The most beautiful woman I've ever seen on earth. How you there? I like you.
May thunder fire that your useless mouth there.
Huh?
Did they argue introduce you as his friend? I knew that you were a useless man in this world.
Yeah. Neka, that's what come to this. Look, I didn't come here for trouble. After all, I'm not like Agu that went to wash his Okada and so that he'll be washed. Look, I'm a legit man. You know I like it past myself.
May Amadio has strike that your mouth there.
Huh?
There.
What's up? I know. Well, Agu. You see inside? Agu.
What are you doing here? So this is what you do. Onasuma Agu. What are you doing here?
No, Agu. See, everywhere I go to, in fact, I went to look for you. Huh? I went to church. You are not there. I went to the mosque. You are not there. I went to that street. You are not there. So I came to my wife. Sorry, your wife's shop. Make I come check what is inside.
How? Sondu, this is what you do. Each time I am away, you come to tangle with my wife.
I know.
Let me tell you, your name now you're Ondo. By the time I finish with you, you will become Ondo. In fact, I don't have anything to talk to you about now. Neka, go inside and give me water. Let me drink.
May thunder strike that your useless mouth there.
Because of water.
Agu. So, this is what you do, Ekwa?
What do I do?
By the way, where is your bike?
Is it not this police?
No, I'm trying to get back, Biko. Which police?
Nigerian police.
So, the car wash I saw you with a girl romancing you is not police, Ekwa?
You saw me in the car wash.
Agu, you were
a girl romancing me. Are you alright?
Agu, you were a he-goat.
Are you with your conscience at all?
You are a useless he-goat.
How can you tell me that you saw me in a... Do I have a car? You know, how can you say you saw me in a car wash? What is my business? If you had said you saw me in a motorcycle wash or promenade in the car washer, can you business with the car wash?
Oh my God! Agu, I regretted getting married to you.
Look at you! Look at you! Look at you! Who told you? Who told you I was happy the day I married you? Who told you I'm happy?
Just look at them. Useless fools.
Okay, you're comparing me with this boss.
Just look at two of them.
You're comparing me with this boss. So you're comparing me with this overgrown baby.
Agu, don't insult me, oh.
I'm not insulting you. I'm telling you.
Don't insult me.
In fact, I don't. Agu.
Turn on your bike.
No, it's a look-alike.
Agu, is that not your bike?
No, it's I think it's a look-alike.
Agu, that's your bike.
No, it's a look-alike.
It looks like your bike. It's your bike.
No, it's a look-alike.
Agu, hey!
Agu, that's your bike.
It's look-alike.
Agu, you have sold your bike.
No, it's look-alike.
Agu, so you have sold your bike.
It's look-alike.
No, you can't leave it. Give him. Give him.
It's look-alike.
Give him.
It's look-alike.
Give him. Give him.
Doctor. Yeah, doctor.
Your lab result is out.
Okay.
But I'm afraid the result is quite different from every other test you've been running in this clinic.
How do you mean, doctor?
Here is your result.
Doctor, I don't understand what is written here.
Yeah, Chief. The lab result shows that you are HIV positive.
HIV positive?
Yeah, Chief. See, HIV is not a deadly disease. I can assure you, if you take your drug the same you're supposed to take it, you will live the number of years God wants you to live. What you will do, Chief, is just come to the hospital every month to take your drugs. And as well, take back to your life. You will live the years. Okay?
Hello. Yeah. What is it now? I'm sleeping.
I just saw her now.
Saw who? Who? Bella?
Yes.
Where? Oh, we just give me 5 minutes, okay? I'm coming now.
Adams, I swear to you, I saw her today. I saw her with my 2 eyes. That I'm very sure of.
Are you aware of who you're talking about? Who did you see or something?
Come on, I'm not a child. What I'm saying, I saw her with my 2 eyes. Crystal clear. And I'm very, very sure of it.
You know how much I've been trying her numbers and she's not picking my calls. It's not even going through. So I just give up. Just give up.
Adams, you bother yourself too much.
I didn't know what else to do again because, okay, you know what's gonna happen? Let me try calling her one more time, see if it's gonna go through, okay?
All right.
You see, I told you. It's not picking up. It's not going at all. It means she's nowhere to be found.
Adams, do you believe in destiny?
Destiny is what we talk about. I used to believe in destiny, but I've stopped believing in it. I just want to see the thing now, live and stuff. So, destiny, I don't want a part of it, okay? I don't want a part. You are people that believe in things like that, but me?
Let me tell you something about destiny. If it's your destiny to meet her again, you will, definitely. And I'm sure, I believe, you'll meet her again. So don't bother yourself or stress yourself too much, all right? Cheers.
You are everything, you're pastor, you're gigolo, you're Casanova, you're everything.
Don't call me that. I'm I'm only trying to encourage a friend. Oh, there he goes again. I'm not a gigolo. I'm not a Casanova. I'm just me, Austin. All right, it's not a crime to like ladies.
Yeah, I'm sure you're having your fun, okay? You're having your fun, you're enjoying yourself.
Get out of here. Take your drink if you don't have any reasonable thing to say. Stupid.
Becky, why are you crying? Becky, talk to me, please. What is it? Becky, please, you can talk to me, okay?
Can you imagine? Can you imagine that the place Madam sent me last night? I go there and I saw about 6 guys there. I was surprised because I thought it was just the guy that took me home. Can you imagine that the 7 of them slept with me?
What? Jesus! 7 men slept with you? Huh. This is serious. Why are they so wicked? I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. This is wickedness. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know what to say, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. Okay, sorry.
My love for you will never die.
You have to keep calling again, eh? Adam's right.
My sister, how do you know? I don't know what is wrong with that guy. That guy is a pesto. Do you know I've asked this guy severally to stop calling me, but he refused. I don't know what is his problem at all. Please, let's go away.
But come to think of it, like you said, he offered you a ride. And since then, he's been calling just to see you again. Why don't you grant his wish if that is all he wishes for?
Let her stress, let her deal with it.
Maybe he will help me grant a wish. Let's go. I don't have this time, please. Let's should go to Blazes for all I care. Babes, please, let's go. I beg. Let's go, please. Let's go.
Bella, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you sure?
Sure, know what I'm thinking.
I know, I've been having this funny.
Sure, know what I'm thinking.
Okay, come. We have to go and relax. Okay?
I don't feel alright. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. No. It's not possible. I can't be pregnant. I just can't be pregnant. Oh, it's him again. Maybe I should see him. What if truly I'm pregnant? No. It can't be possible. Okay, fine. I'll grant your wish. I'll send the address of where I am so we can meet later, okay?
Thanks for granting my wish, Bella. But I'm sorry, okay? And if you don't wish to see me anymore, probably you just let me know. I'll stop disturbing myself. But I'm very, very deeply sorry in the first place about everything that's happened. I'm so sorry. Please.
Adams.
Bella.
I'm pregnant. Carrying his baby. Yes, I am.
This is funny.
I still don't get it. From what you told us, you said you guys met on the road. Then he offered you a ride. So, when did this sex thing happen?
Well, actually, I had sex with him the very first day he offered me a ride.
What?
Yes.
How come?
Babes, that's why I got all the money I used in opening that car wash business. Yeah. I offered him sex, and he offered me capital.
What the heck? Bella, you told us you got the money from your uncle in Germany.
So, all these stories have been lies. Okay, fine. What did he say concerning the baby?
He never denied it. He accepted it.
Just like that?
Just like that.
Oh, wow. Nice catch, though.
Thank you.
So, what's next? Does he have a wife?
Hell no. He's single.
Girl, you're one lucky person though.
Thank you.
Bella, though, really, why are you extremely secretive?
Oh, that's my bad. Oh, babes, I'm sorry. Listen, girls, I had to do what I did. If I didn't, babes, we will still be wallowing in the depths of unemployment and starvation. Hope you understand. Please, try to understand.
It's okay. It's fine, it's fine. The deed has been done, so we just have to put our heads straight and... This babe though, I don't know.
I don't get it. What's the meaning of this meeting? Why do you call us here?
Please, let's be fast before Madam comes.
It's high time we realize that Betty and her friends are using us to perform tasks they detest, and yet they pay us peanuts. See, girls, I think Betty and her friends were wise enough to be self-employed. We are being used as an instrument to boost their business and make much money for them. When we are here wasting our body, our image, our life and everything, all because we are unemployed and we don't have anywhere to go. See, girls, I'm tired. I'm tired of being used by these ladies. I think I have to go. It's over. I'm leaving.
But come to think of it, I think she's right.
We have to do something. What do you think?
Are you serious? Can you imagine? You know, let me call her. What? Switched off. Switched off? This is serious. Wait, I'm not sure. Let's just be sure. Let me call her again. Switched off. Hey!
You know what, ladies? Yeah. I really do not blame them. I knew a day like this would come. Who influenced them to do what they detest just for them to survive? We would have gained employment long ago if you and I could do what we make them do. I'm sure their conscience is pricking them, hence they are living for a better way of survival. Right?
Bruce, you just make sense now. You have a point. Let's be frank to ourselves. We are car washers, and I don't think it's right for us to extort these girls, use them as prostitutes. Let's just face it. Let's do it ourselves and make a good living out of it.
I just love the way you spoke now, Bella. Do you know what? We should be proud of what we do. Yeah. We are car wash ladies. We are unique. Yeah. And we love our jobs, don't
Yes.
we? So let's go do some washing, babes.
Yes, so. I have a call. Oh, Adam, I'm so sorry. I totally forgot. I'm sorry. I'll be there in a jiffy. Okay? Alright, just I'll be there. Rose, please just help me. Of course, I will handle this. Come on,
Alright,
go.
see you soon,
Alright,
baby.
darling. Okay. Alright, bye. Yeah.
I'm making everybody body double left. Feel me like Jolly, someone to show. I'm making everybody body double left. Feel me like Jolly, someone to show. Baby, wine up for me. Baby, wine up for me. Baby, wine up for me. Wine up for me. Wine up for me. Yeah, baby, wine up for me. Baby, wine up for me. Yeah, show me your body.
Anyway, I brought my friend. No, have food and
you.
It's okay.
Just meet my Rose, this is my friend Adam. Adim. Adim.
Rose, is you?
Adim. Please, can you get me water? Water, please. Water. She's not waking up. Rose.
The car key, bring the car key. Baby. Are you okay? You scared me a lot.
Adim.
Yes, love.
Adim. So you still truly exist?
Heavens, who truly are you? Rose? Who is he?
Bella, this is Adim, the guy I've always told you about.
Rose. Can I tell you the best part of me, which I've never told anyone before?
Sure. You know I'm always scared to listen.
Well, first of all, I'm deeply in love with you.
I know. And I'm in love with you too. That is why we're together.
Thank you. But that is exactly where my fear lies.
How? What are you insinuating?
I'm afraid I won't be able to fulfill my dreams of becoming a sailor, holding you close to me, of you becoming my wife.
Adim, what are you talking about? Why are you saying negative words about yourself?
Rose, I'm sorry I've kept this from you for so long. I have cancer of the kidney. What? The doctor confirmed my existence on earth numbered. God forbid. How come? I'm sorry, I have to open up to you now. So, you start getting used to life when I'm gone.
No, dear. You are not going to die. And you will live to fulfill your dreams and have me as your wife. I'll pray to the Lord to keep you. And you're my assistance. You're my life. You're my love. In you I exist. Adrian, please. Stop saying negative words about yourself. Please.
Okay. Thank you so much, Rose. Thank you. You restored my hope when I lost it.
That is because I insist in you. And you and me. Come on, darling. Cheer up, okay?
Okay.
Doctors are not God. Okay?
Okay.
How's Grandma?
She went to the market to get something. Thank you.
Yes? Come in. Who's?
Good afternoon.
How's everybody?
Fine, thank you. Yes, I do.
Well, I didn't fainted this morning.
What?
And the grandma took him to the hospital.
Which hospital?
Holy Family Hospital.
Thank you.
Grandma, what happened to him? Grandma, what's happening?
He's going to die. I can't save the life of my grandson.
Grandma, what are you talking about?
The doctor said he needs a kidney transplant. And 2 million naira within 24 hours. What can a poor woman like me do to undertake this task? So very passionate. Make your face face on camera.
You won't die. You're not going to die. Even if it means giving my life for you, I won't let you die. No.
I've told her what it takes to save the life of her grandson. 2 million naira and a donor.
Doctor, here's the money. Please, save his life now.
Quite impressive. But there's one more thing. The grandmother's kidney is very weak due to old age and cannot be used for the transplant. And currently, we do not have any kidney in our bank. So let's hope for a donor as fast as possible. That is the only way out. Okay? Alright, I'll talk to you later, okay?
Grandma, please, let me be the donor. Yes, Grandma. Grandma, please, if the doctor comes out, tell her I'm your granddaughter to ease the process. Please, Grandma.
Rose, you mean you want to give your kidney to him?
Yes.
A pure heart. You have a pure heart. You're kind. You have done so much for us. Let's put everything in the hand of faith. Keep on praying. He will not die. He will not die. Let's trust God. He will not die. Thank you very much.
This is serious. Come, woman. Are you trying to tell me that my sense is not correct or what? I brought this money, I kept it in this room, in this bedroom.
How come it's not there? You and I have searched the whole room. Even turned the house upside down to no avail. Are you sure you come back with the money?
Amasha brought it home.
Yes.
I went to the bank with you this morning. I came back home straight. I did not branch to anywhere. I was all alone in this house. What it is? Where is Rose?
She said she wanted to go and see a friend. She left here in a hurry. And she could not even speak to me properly.
Rose couldn't speak properly to you.
Child.
Rose has killed me. Which money? Are you joking with me? Huh? You think you follow me from the bank? Honestly, I got this money from the bank, but I can't find it anymore. Believe me. You're joking with me. But please don't hurt her, please. Please. Sure. Yes, please. No, I should want to. Please spare my life. Look at me. I have a very petty mind. See, listen to me. I wouldn't want to leave you a widow. Me, your husband.
All I value in this entire world has been wiped out. The only thing that keeps me going is you and them. I miss my parents whenever I'm not around you.
I'm sorry for everything that happened. All because of me. I lost my life. And you gave it back to me. You gave up part of you just to give me life. Rose, I kept you in my own state of situation as an orphan. I owe you my entire life.
No, dear. It's not me. It's God. Maybe everything had to happen for you to believe that your dreams of becoming a sailor will come through. And that's
you, Rose, becoming my wife till eternity. The mother of my children. The one who gave all her happiness just to give me life. Rose, I vow to you today that I, Daddy, will marry you. The day I say I do to another woman, let me drop dead.
No, Ade. Don't swear an oath. It's very bad. This is life. And everything is in the hands of destiny.
And you are my destiny. Rose, My destiny lies in your hand. You are me. I am you. Can't you see? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
After the death of my parents, I lost my phone. Ever since then, I've been living with my uncle. He relocated to Lagos and brought me along. He gave me back my education. He took proper care of me till I become what I am today.
Baby, I'm so sorry, okay? I did not dump you. I didn't at all. Ever since I've been thinking about you until now. I love you, okay? I love you so much. Baby, you are my slates.
I'm not happy at all.
Why?
Can you imagine? I went to Rose's house only to find out that everywhere was locked.
So what are you going to do now?
I don't know. I tried reaching her, or calling her phone, but all to no avail.
I didn't.
I'm so tired. This one that uncle is coming to pick me now.
Don't
Let me just tell her that I will live in the village.
Don't worry, you will. Yeah? Don't worry, yeah.
I wish I can see
her. Fine. Yeah?
Baby, when Grandma died, it has not been easy. It wasn't easy at all for me. You know how customs and traditions, how it is. I have to take Grandma's corpse for funeral, take it to the village. Search for you, and I called you. I made even extra efforts just to get in touch with you. But all to no avail. I could not reach you. So I thought we were not going to see again something. So when I went home, I saw a parcel. I opened it. It was from my uncle in Germany. He sent me my ticket and my passport for me to leave the country and go to the US. Maybe before I left to the US, I searched for you. I called you. I even tried everything I could just to see you before I leave. So I left, and when I got to the United States, I became a sailor. Everything worked well for me, and from the day I left this country to the United States, I've thought about you. The thought about you was just everywhere around me. I felt your presence. I felt you every minute. But I had no chance than to move on with my life. I came back 2 months, but I was still searching for you until now I found you, my love. I can let you go. I can leave you. I can give you a breathing space, because you know why? I've given you my heart, giving you my soul, giving you the best part of me. I've given you the thing that makes me me. I love you so, so much, Dad.
Yeah? Adams, hold it right there. Hold it right there.
both of you are in love with each other?
Yes, I'm in love with her. Baby.
Yes. So I'm pregnant for a man who is in love with another? So I lost my virtues of a woman to a complete wrong soul. What do we do? Because I'm carrying your baby.
I'm not responsible for that pregnancy. In fact, we never had sex.
What?
I did. I am responsible.
You?
Oh, gosh. Mr. Loverboy, right? Why are you staring as if you've not seen a fair lady before?
Adams, where did you get that from?
I don't understand all this, okay? I've got it up to here, okay? Are you staring as if you've not seen a fair person, a fair girl before? Please, can we step, please? I need to talk to you outside right now. What? Can we talk outside, please? Austin, let's see outside, please. After you, please, after you. After you, please. Mr. Loverboy. I need to talk to you. Come. Oh.
Adams, and that girl is not just hot. She's edible too. Where did you pick her from?
While I was coming back home, I picked her on the way and I gave her a lift and she wanted sex in exchange of money.
She wants sex for money?
Yep.
Damn. Well, I'm not surprised though. Every girl does that these days. Come on, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and do it. Have sex with her. And give her money. After all, you've got the money.
Bro, I'm not in the mood, okay? I've lost that mood.
Come on. What is it? What is it? What do you mean I won't understand?
You know, anytime I think about Rose, you know how much I cherish and I love this lady. I love her with my last blood. Even, oh God, you don't just understand what I'm talking about. I dream, I see this girl every single night I sleep. I can't hurt her feelings, my brother.
Adams, shut up. What is wrong with you? I thought you were reasonable. Why are you acting like a kid? What do you mean you love Rose, you love Diana, you love Princess? What is wrong with you? Are you the only one in love? You mean you just want to fuck out money and give to that girl in these hard times? Come on, reason.
Listen, let me tell you. Austin, I told you and I'm not going to repeat myself again, okay? I don't want that girl with my lips, okay? I don't want her. The connection, it's not there. When I think about this Rose, I get so, my body system, you know, I can't just comprehend anything. Again, please. You can just, I don't want to know anything. I've paid her, let her go. I'm not interested. I don't want.
Adams. Wait, now you're being funny. Let me guess something. Yeah. Are you really sure you don't want to do this?
Bro, I'm not interested again.
Very well, then you know what I'm thinking.
What?
Come on, Adams. If Adams is interested, Austin is interested. Come on, stop looking at me like that. Come on, she's a beautiful lady there.
I know you as a Casanova, okay? You're a lover boy,
Yeah.
Casanova, okay? I know you about that. The shit.
So having said that, I think it's high time I get busy. Alright? So while you leave you with your emotions with your numerous girlfriends. Alright?
Whatever, please. Go have fun, okay? Go have fun, okay?
Call me Casanova, whatever.
Casanova, Gigolo, okay? Have fun, okay?
See you later.
Hope I'm not made one of the greatest mistakes in my life, okay? Huh?
Morning. How was your night?
Thank you. Please, where is he?
He already left for work. Don't worry, he left a check for you. It's on the table. So whenever you're ready to leave, you can pick it up. I'm going to work.
Wait. You?
Oh, come on. I'm already running late for work, alright? See you later, alright?
I think I know him from somewhere. Yes. I've seen him before. I've seen that face before.
So that was how it happened. I am responsible for your pregnancy. That is if medically proven. Come on, you don't have to feel bad about it. I still like you and still do.
My cherish. Well, you know how long I've cherished this day and always wanted to see you, but I thought I've lost you, but thank God I found you back. There's only one thing that found both of us. Do you know what's that?
What?
Do you want to know? Are you sure you want to know? The you in me that found you.
I knew I'll see you again. I knew that fate would definitely bring you back to me.
Yeah.
And here we are today.
Yeah.
Adil.
What, babe?
I am so happy for you. You are now a fulfilled man. A seller in the States. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
There is not about being so fulfilled in life, okay? Baby, can't be fulfilled without singles.
Oh my God.
Sweetheart, will you marry me?
Oh my sweetheart. Of course I will. Oh my God. My goodness.
Baby, wine up for me. Baby, wine up for me. Baby, wine up for me. Wine up for me. Wine up for me. Yeah. Baby, wine up for me. Baby, wine up for me. Yeah. Show me your body. Everybody,